Hi guys, it's Fox and Pause again, and I'm giving you like a little update. This is the Tales of my very fall. I have to do one more on this thing, because I can't wear it, and I just keep moving up, and this is all I have left. And it is 7:32 right now. Here, I will have proof. See. Hold on. Proof 7:32. Yes, that is 7:32. On my watch. Don't mind how dirty my watch is. And yes, there's somebody's face on my watch. So I'm not. It's my friend Olivia's. And I'm not sure because I don't know if she's allowed to be on the YouTube or anything. What do you want, Paul? Or something like that. And don't mind me dodging my brother.